This video talks about 4 different cooking terms in Hmong. They're terms that you can use for various different foods, but in these 4 examples, we're just looking at meat, so we could see a comparison of the difference. So the first word is chu ngai, chu ngai, or in Green Hmong, chu nga, chu nga, and that is to steam. So we could use that for meat, like in a pot. It wouldn't be hanging it. We'll look at that in a second. But if we're talking about using a steamer, just like you would for vegetables. So needless to say, you could also ju zhao for vegetables. Now another word is ki ngai, or in Green Hmong, ki nga, and that is to roast vegetables, toast, or to grill like you would on a barbecue. You could use it for toasting bread, for example, that kind of anything that uses that flame to sear it. That word is very similar and easy to get confused with another word, which is very different. So that word is ki ngai, or ki nga, and that is to fry, deep fry, or stir fry. For example, meat or whatever. In any case, it's frying using oil. So just so we can hear the difference, the word to roast is ji, and the word for to fry is ki. So not the same thing, not the same meaning. And finally, we have ka ngai, or kang nga in Green Hmong. That refers to smoke drying meat, kind of like you would for jerky. So here's 4 different ways you can cook meat or other things. Hopefully it helped to separate some of the meaning between the 4 different ways. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.